Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Amos Orudare, a music and creative coach. In today's lesson, we want to continue the rudiment of music, and the topic for today is musical notes.
Musical notes are symbols indicating the length or duration of a sound. Musical notes are symbols indicating the length or duration of a sound. Names of music notes. Names of music notes. Number one, semi-brief or all notes. Semi-brief or all notes. Number two, meaning or half notes. Meaning or half notes. Number three, crotchet or quarter notes. Crotchet or quarter notes. Number four, quiver or eighth notes. Quiver or eighth notes. Number five, semi-quiver or 16th notes. Semi-quiver or 16th notes. Number six, demi-semi-quiver or 32 notes. Demi-semi-quiver or 32 notes. Number seven, demi-semi-quiver or 64th notes. Number seven, demi-semi-quiver or 64th notes. We studied the following notes: semi-brief or all notes, meaning or half notes, crotchet or quarter notes, quiver or eighth notes. What should strike your mind as you come across these notes is the length of time for which each note is sounded. Semi-brief is 4 counts, meaning is 2 counts. Crotchet is 1 count, and quiver is half count. Values of quiver or eighth notes. Values of quiver or eighth notes. It's one half of the values of a crotchet, that is, half of a beat. Semi-quiver. Semi-quiver. Values. It's what half of the values of a quiver, that is, quarter of a beat. Quiver is known as a running note. It is faster than a walking note, which is crotchet. It has a black head with a stem and a flag or tail. The flag is always on the right side of the note head, irrespective of whether the stem is up or down. Demi-semi-quiver or 32 notes and their values. Values of demi-semi-quiver. It's what the half of the value of semi-quiver, that is 1/8 beats. Then the second one, demi-semi-quiver or 64 notes. Demi-semi-quiver or 64 notes. Values of demi-semi-quiver. It's what half of the value of demi-semi-quiver. 1/6, 16 bits. That is 1/16 bits. Rests are signs or characters which indicates silence or temporary suspension of sound. Each one corresponds in time value to one of the notes already learnt and therefore has the same duration or length as these notes. Every note has an equivalent rest that shares the same values with the notes. Semi-brief note also has semi-brief rest. Black's rectangular mark hangs from the fourth line. Meaning note also has meaning rest. Black rectangular mark resting on the third line. Crochet note also has crochet rest. An inverted letter Z or like 7 wrongly written. Quiver note also has quiver rest. A stem and one flag that looks like figure 7. Semiquiver note also has semiquiver rest, a stem and 2 flags.
So guys, thanks for watching. If you are new here, consider to subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos. See you in next class.